I couldn't save those young men who didn't take the leap of faith, but I want to save and serve you if you're watching this. Let me share a story with you about this young guy. I know there are many just like him watching this video. This is for you. Listen till the end. Don't skip, it's for you. This young guy was very ambitious. He wanted to get ahead in his career. He wanted to improve his body, his mindset, his belief, his attitude, his confidence, and a lot of other things. He always thought that I can do it, I believe in myself, and I can do it alone. And guess what? When the time came, when he knew that he is here, but his goals are here, he needed to take this leap of faith. He wanted to bridge this gap. And he thought that I need to take this leap of faith, this jump out of my comfort zone. Guess what happened? That young guy just quit. When he realized that I need to take this leap of belief, I need to take this jump into the unknown, I have to get out from my comfort zone, he just quit. And that's what happens. We think that we believe in ourselves. I can do it. But when the time comes, how many of you really do it? How many of you really take the action steps? I want to ask you. Very, 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 very few. Because I know for a fact that there are many men in my fitness community that I have. They were in this same situation. They thought they could do it, but they couldn't alone. And that's why I have this men's fitness community to bridge the gap, to empower you, to help you reach from this point to this point so that you become your strongest version. It's easy, but it's difficult if you do it alone. That's why I want to offer you something. I couldn't save those young men who didn't take the leap of faith, but I want to save and serve you if you're watching this. This is the website. Go here, take the efforts, fill a small qualification form, and my team and me will review it. We will get back to you if you qualify, and you will be able to join the men's fitness community. Now I know most of you will probably not do this. I know this because you need to take this leap of faith. Your mind is telling that don't do it. It's not for you. But guess what? People who do this win in life. They win in life. Mark my words. Period. They win in life. Those who take this leap of faith, this leap of belief. If you are that courageous lion, this is for you. This is for you. Go here, fill the form, and we will get back to you. And I hope you take the action steps.